Hey guys, it's Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today we're learning a stretchy cast-on that you can use for ribbing or anywhere you need a little extra give. It's called the German twisted cast-on, and it's very similar, or it is based on the long tail cast-on. So you'll need to know how to estimate your long tail for the number of stitches you need. And we're using a slip knot to start and get it on our needle. Oops. And just like our regular long tail cast on, your tail is going to come towards you at the front and your working yarn is attached to your ball of yarn to the back. We're going to start by getting set up in the same manner that we do for long tail. And if you need to know how to do the long tail cast on, I'll link that video up for you as well. Okay. I'm going to hold on to my slip knot, bring my needle down below my thumb yarn, go under both loops, point up, go down inside, and then under the front loop. Now here I'm going to twist my hand so that my needle goes to the back strand of yarn. I'm going to scoop under that, bring that loop through this little diamond on my needle, pull my thumb out and tighten that on my needle, obviously not too tight. Set up again, bring it down, scoop under two, go inside down under the first one, rock my hands, scoop under the back one, pull that through here, let go of the thumb, there. Again, two, up and over, under, twist back. Uh-oh, I dropped it, that's okay. Oops. Okay, I'm going to continue casting on and then I will show you how stretchy it is once we get all the way done. Okay, you can see here I've knit up some 2x2 ribbing and I cast it on with that German twisted cast on. You see how nice and stretchy this ribbing is. Perfect for socks, hats, things like that that you need to stretch.